I used AI to create a perfect voice clone of myself. What if I told you the voice you are hearing right now might not even be mine? Today I created a digital clone of my voice using artificial intelligence. We are going to test it in real conversations, compare it with my actual voice, and I will show you exactly how I pulled this off. And don't worry, I will reveal the tool I used once we get to that part. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make videos about tech, AI and all the wild stuff happening in the digital world. And today's project is one of the greatest things I have ever tried, cloning my own voice. AI has gotten so advanced that it can literally copy your tone, pitch and speaking style. So I thought, could I build an AI version of myself that sounds just like me? And if I can, would anyone even notice the difference? To get started, I had to record myself talking for about 10 to 20 minutes. I read normal sentence, casual conversation, even change up my tone so the AI could capture a full range of my voice. It honestly felt super weird, like I was training someone to impersonate me. So now I'll share you the platform where you can do all these things. Just in the Google search Minimax AI. This is the one minimax.com. You have to go to the product and click in the audio button here. When you reach in this tab, then you have to verify and log in with your Google account. Login success, and I have to go this one. And now I will search for voice cloning. That is the one I'm looking for, voice clone option. Here you have to add or drop a file. Now I'll add my voice file. It is pre-recorded. This is a sample file. And it will be uploaded within a minute. You should not exceed 20 MB. Okay. Then you have to type the text preview. I have in ChatGPT I have written this text. I have to copy it from here and paste it here. Then you have to select I confirm that I have all the necessary rights and authorization to upload these voice samples to generate AI content, and I reaffirm that I will abide by the terms of service and refrain from using any generated content for illegal or harmful purposes. Then you can, if you want, you can open these settings, remove background noise and enable accent optimization, but I think it's not needed right now. So just generate it. Now I will hear the voice. Hello, you are hearing a test recording generated by an AI voice clone. This is the real voice. It's an artificial voice designed to sound natural and expressive. If you're listening closely, you might notice subtle variations in tone and rhythm. Oh, that's fantastic. Pretty wild, right? It actually sounds way too close to my real voice. So how did I do all this? The tool I used is called Minimax. Right here you can see me typing in text within some seconds. It speaks back to my clone voice. It honestly scary how simple it is to use. If I get to upgrade the plan, then I came to know that the creator plan is $15 per month, and you will get 10,000 hits, 12 minutes of audio, non-cumulative, maximum 5.2 hours of audio per month. And if you are compare with the Element Lab, then you can see that Elephant Lab has a 50% off for the first month, 11, but actual price is $22. So I think it's a cheaper than Element Lab for the long term. So if you enjoyed this experiment, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI adventures, and tell me in the comments, would you ever want your own AI voice clone, or does that feel way too creepy? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, or maybe my Minimax clone will.